Inspira College is an educational institution that is set up to change the dynamics of learning and talent development. Located in the heart of Ikorodu, Lagos State, the school has a beautiful structure which caters adequately for day and boarding students. It especially has a fantastic hostel accommodation for its boarding students and with good living environment and adequate security. It has the state-of-the-art facility that improves both academic and extracurricular activities. There is the biology lab, the chemistry lab, the physics lab, home economics and computer labs. A music room is also available for those who are talented or to be encouraged. Sporting facilities such as the basketball court, football pitch, swimming pools, and table tennis courts are available. The school also blends cultural knowledge as it has a cultural troupe in Igbo and Yoruba. The school boasts of a well-stocked sick bay, fully air-conditioned classrooms, and a fully stocked library for the children's cognizance value. The principal, Mrs. Adebayo Olubomi, talked about the amazing facilities, the structure edifice, the CBT center that is fully equipped with 280 electronic system, ample space for parking.
The school started operation on the 13th of September 2021 as a world-class international school. We have our key vision, which is raising a generation of global pacesetters, while the mission is to nurture, inspire, and empower a generation of high successful learners in a conducive environment, also with effective teaching, creativity, and top-notch educational technologies. As of today, Inspira College has the best structural edifice in Ikorodu, and it is also one of the best international schools in Lagos State. Our facilities include electronic library, conventional library, all the science laboratories, ICT laboratory, home economics laboratory, and we also have our CBT center, which is fully equipped with 280 computer systems. And apart from that, we have ample parking space for visitors. All our hostel rooms are fitted with air conditioner. and a common room for both boys and girls. Well furnished to make the students feel at home and also enjoy their stay while they are in school.
The school can also boast of qualified and experienced teaching and non-teaching staff. Here is what the classroom ambience looks like. Biology teaching classroom. Topic: the human digestive system.
The esophagus is a small tube or a passage which sends food from the mouth to the stomach. So the esophagus serves as a small passage for passing food from the mouth into the stomach. Now, the esophagus moves food from the mouth into the stomach by a process which is known as peristalsis. The circular muscles of the esophagus contract in a wave-like motion which forces food that has been mixed with saliva down the esophagus and onto the stomach. Do you understand that?
Chemistry teaching classroom. Topic: titration experiment.
Titration experiment. It involves reacting as an acid with a base. The type of acid you want to titrate, you should have a choice of it and the base of your choice too. The idea is this: we want to actually know the amount of that particular acid that will react exactly with a given amount of that, with a given amount of base. You have a quantity of acid, you have a quantity amount of base. You want to know the exact volume that will neutralize completely that acid. That is the work we are doing. That is the essence of this experiment.
Physics. Topic: gravitation.
We apply force. If you look at this image, the tennis players plays the ball, applying a force, and the force will move. All right. Now let's look at this slide. Now look at this guy jumping here. He said, "Why do we always fall?" But when he jumps up, he comes down. That's still an effect of gravity. No matter how high you jump, you will always come back to the surface of the earth. Look at these two objects. What is the distance between them? R. Distance between them is what? R. So what Newton is saying is that this force is inversely proportional. That is 1 over r squared. All right? That is, the force of universal gravitation is inversely proportional to the what? To the distance between them. Particles, two particles that are in the universe attract each other with a force that is what? Directly proportional to the product of their masses, m1 and m2, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That distance is represented with what? R in this case, all right? As a matter of fact, you can represent it with any letter of your choice.
Mr. Kayode Ojo, the vice principal of Inspira College, said in his interview that Inspira College is all about building a total child for the 21st century.
Inspira College is a 21st century school where children are nurtured in such a way that they can compete positively with their colleagues in any chosen career. Our curriculum is structured in such a way that every child is being attended to. It's being attended to in such a way that they have the privilege to learn the basic tools that will enable them to compete with their mates anywhere in the world. Discipline in Inspira College is top-notch. It's not negotiable. We try as much as possible to give them a wonderful platform to thrive on. Inspira College has qualified teachers who knows their onions and who have been able to prove to the larger world that they are willing to give a total child in return to the society. Inspira is a new school, but might I say that within a short space of time, we've been able to have a good number to start with. Our students are happy because of the ambience. Parents are satisfied because of the response they're getting from us every day.
A teaching classroom where mathematics is taught with the topic change of subject of formula.
Take a look at this expression on the board. The expression V equals to U plus AT. Now, in the world of science, this expression is used to represent the uniform velocity of a motion undergoing, steady acceleration. Now, given the expression V equals to U plus AT, we might be required to make T the subject of the formula. Now, from the given expression V equals to U plus AT, we might be required to make T the subject of formula. Now, looking at the expression, the V here represents the final velocity. The U represents the initial velocity. The A represents the uniform acceleration. And the T represents the time taken to cover whatever motion it is in question. Now, we're going to multiply through by -1. So multiplying through by -1 simply means all negative quantities will become positive and all positive quantities will become negative. So doing that, we're going to have AT equals to V minus U.
Welcome to Inspira College, Lagos, Nigeria. We inspire, nurture, and empower.
Inspira College, a world-class learning institution grooming 21st century talent with a beautiful structure, well-equipped to cater for day and boarding students while keeping in mind security. Inspira College boasts of state-of-the-art amenities, including science, computer, and music laboratory. Massive ICT infrastructure. Our CBT hall is awesome. Recreational facilities for the emotional and physical well-being, and a fantastic hostel for the home away from home feel. 24 hours electricity, backed up with adequate solar system. Inspira College is located at 29 to 35 Beribe Road, after AP bus stop, Igbodu, Ikorodu, Lagos State. For more inquiries, please call +234 903 831 7754. Email admission@inspiracollege.com. Website www.inspiracollege.com. Inspira College. Inspire, nurture, and empower. The school has an integrated curriculum that covers the WAEC, NECO, SSE, Lagos State BECE, British Cambridge Checkpoint, CISCO Networking Academy Certification, Coding and Robotics, and the American SAT. Some of the students share their experience at Inspira College.
Inspira College is a very wonderful school. It's a type of school that has knowledgeable teachers. It has good teachers. It has wonderful teachers. The management are very wonderful. School that impacts students very, very positively. They help to create students' talent, and they bring it out. They bring it out positively. They give students make students to see higher in life. They also have teachers who are able to communicate very well with students. They have teachers who have good communication skills, who have a heart-to-heart connection with students. They are the type of teachers that do not look at the bad behaviors of students. Instead, they focus on their talents and what they can do. They have all sorts of facilities that will help to improve students' knowledge on what they are being taught.
Inspira College is a welcoming place. It has a lot of facilities. The students that have been accepted have top-notch academic grades, from the students to the staff to the admin to the school itself. It's an inspiring place. Inspira College has a good learning environment. You can bring a child here and watch him grow into the person you want him to be.
My experience in this college has been awesome. Just as the name Inspira connotes, it has empowered, nurtured, and inspire students to go greater heights in life. My vocabulary and quantitative skills has been inspired by this great college. The relationship between teachers and students has been awesome. Teachers attend to our needs at all times. They are like our parents in the school.
Inspira College is a college that every parent should try to enroll their children in. They inspire, nurture, empower with top-notch technology. Our teachers, they are so great. They make sure we understand every single concept they teach us. When I came to this school, I was not all that brilliant. But last time, thank God, I was able to take 80%. Oh, my parents were so happy. This college is a very great college that is going places. I would advise my friends, other students from other schools should try to come and join me.
Some of the teachers also expressed their thoughts on the school and the full curriculum. Mr. Peter Ogunleye, the economics teacher, and Ebo Christopher, the examination officer, also expressed their thought about the modem of the school.
the school is well equipped with facilities such as laboratories. Some of our laboratories we have the chemistry laboratory, the physics laboratory, the biology laboratory, we have the basic tech lab and the rest of them. All of these laboratories are well equipped in order to prepare the students to be able to do well in 21st century academics. And I was here in our student here in Inspira College, our students, they are really doing their best to bring out their potential, which with the teachers we have been able to help them to meet to the best of their ability. And here in Inspira College, we have some facilities such as a sporting facility. Here we have the football court, we have the volleyball court, we have the swimming pool, we have the table tennis, and the rest of them. All of these also help the kids to also explore the extracurricular activities, such that both the class and outside the class, they are able to bring out the best in them. A school that inspire and that nurture students to achieve their best academically.
Inspira College is a home away from home. Our objective is to inspire students to attain all academic goals and at the same time compete with their counterparts internationally. And we've been able to achieve this within a short period of time with the aid of our top-notch facilities. Our classrooms are standards, we have qualified teachers. At the same time, we have facilities that can aid extracurricular activities. Our football pitch is top-notch. We have a swimming pool that can host any international competition, and our basketball court is indeed lovely. I'm telling you, once you get to our hostel, you will indeed see that Inspira is a home away from home. Our students hardly go home. So many of them like sleeping, staying behind in school. We have to chase them back because they enjoy everything they see in Inspira. Inspira College is a holistic academic environment. My experience in Inspira College has been lovely. I've come to learn new things on a daily basis. I've met with lovely teachers who can challenge you to get inspired. I've met with students who are also wonderful. They can inspire a teacher to greatness. I have wonderful students. Some of our students will be representing the environment in Nigeria Info competition. They are all good students. It's nice being here indeed.
The MD Inspira College, Mrs. Adedoyin Agbola, the school seeks to inspire, nurture, and empower a generation of highly successful leaders in a very conducive learning environment with top-notch educational technology.
Inspira College was born out of passion for quality education and affordable education for our children. We discovered that most children have the talents, they have the brain, but they don't have the opportunity of getting good facilities. So we decided to put this together in order to help the children to nurture their dreams and empower them for the future. We offer our children here quality education that the service charge is far below what we offer them. We have a very conducive environment for the children that even our boarders, each time they vacate, most of them don't even want to go home. We offer them 24 hours light. The environment is conducive for learning. We have school bus facilities that is fully air conditioned. The children are relaxed even while they are coming and even after closing when they are going back home.
Contact Inspira College at 29 to 35 Berigbe Road after AP bus stop Igbodu, Ikorodu, Lagos State. You can call +234 903 831 7754. Email admission@inspiracollege.com. Website www.inspiracollege.com.
I do encourage parents to bring their children to the school. You're going to love it and love the product of the school.
Inspira College. Inspire, nurture, and empower.